Howdy, this is my Mnemonics assignment. My name is Hannah Grubbs. This is a pretty recent picture of me because I just graduated high school. An easy way to remember my name, Hannah Handstand. So this is a picture of me doing gymnastics. I've been a gymnast since I was really little. Due to this, I love to do handstands. The beginning of my name, Han, is similar to handstand, so that's an easy way to remember my name and also something I like to do. Another thing about my name is it's a palindrome. So palindromes are words or phrases that read the same forwards and backwards. So my name is spelled a certain way to where you could write it backwards and it would still say Hannah. With that, in my gymnastics, I go forwards and backwards in all my skills so I can get the required amount of points and scores I need in the sport. So, handstand, Hannah, and forward backwards for palindrome. My last name is Grubbs. As all my friends always joke with me, like grub as in food. Hey, let's go grab some grub, this kind of thing. So you can remember that as eating a good meal. I love eating a good meal myself. And also in The Lion King, Timon eats some grub in the film. And ever since I was little, I always remember that scene because that's my last name. So these are some good ways to remember my name. And I hope you enjoyed.